Hello friends, peace be with you. An image in its dimension effect that is its length and width. And it is at an angle. A gold effect on it, by adding dimension. So, in this way you can apply on image. I don't know why such images are created. Maybe you can create such an image, and show it on your blog. So, the lines created on this image. Those who are at an angle of about 45 degrees. Let's get started. So open your image, in any dimension and any resolution. You can see the image size. Width is 1920, height 1080 and resolution 72. It doesn't matter whether the resolution is 72 or 300. We can apply this effect on any such image. First go to Select, Subject. Subject is this model, it will be selected. It does not need to be precise. Create a blank layer and fill it with any bright color. If you press Alt plus Delete, it will be filled with this color. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. And we will name this layer Brush. Now, we will play an action. This is Dimension Photoshop action. I will give the download link of this action in the description. Expand it and first is Effect. It has to select and activate and just play the action. After playing the action, look at the Layers panel. Layers will start forming here. This will create groups and arrange adjustment layers within them. As you can see, groups and layers within them have started to form. And it's arranging the layers together. And those dimensions are at 45 degrees. And finally, it will create them here. And this is the result in front of you. This action keeps some layers disabled. The gradient layer and the layer above it are disabled. Here, if you look carefully at the face, these dimensions have also been created on the eyes, nose, and lips. Group number 001, 002 and 003 are here. If disable these groups, disable group numbers 001 and 002. After selecting and activating group 003, create a mask on it. Take the brush tool, and make sure your foreground color is black. After adjusting the size of the brush, you can remove the lines on the face. Activate group number 002. And make a mask on it too. And we will do the same thing here. Reveal nose, lips and eyes. Similarly, group number 001 will also make mask. And, as before, we will reveal the nose, eyes, and lips. And, here is your image. This is the original image. And later these lines are created at about 45 degrees. This is group number 2, check it by disabling and enabling it. Each layer is important in its place, as this layer wants to have this effect. Disable the color overlay layer. If enabled, golden effect will be seen on it. And group 1 can be seen by enabling and disabling. And, if you look at the copy of group 1 disabled, then these lines are created here, because of it. And, this is copy number 5 of group 1. And adjustment layers are visible in this too. And copy number 6 of Group 1. It has small lines, created below here. You can see all these groups, and this group number. 4. You can see the difference, by enabling and disabling it. This group number 3, and this group number 2. And this group number 1. And this is the light adjustment layer. And this is the color lookup layer. It has edgy amber LUT applied. And below that is the levels adjustment layer. You can make further adjustments in it if you want. If you like this video about this action, and if you want to download this action, the link is in the description. With this you can create such beautiful images. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.